In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share reports in Salesforce effectively. Whether you're collaborating with your team or just need to manage access to your reports, understanding this process can make your workflow smoother and more efficient. So let's dive right in. First, launch Salesforce and navigate to the Reports tab. This is your central hub for all report-related activities and a key component of optimizing data analysis within your organization. Once you're on the Reports tab, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Here, you'll find all the tools you need to manage and share your reports effortlessly. Next, you'll want to locate the specific report or group of reports you intend to share. To do this, find the folder containing your target report. If you can't spot it right away, remember that organizing your reports into dedicated folders can streamline this process. Dedicated folders not only help in maintaining a tidy workspace, but also make it easier when it comes time to manage sharing permissions. Once you've pinpointed the correct folder, you'll proceed to share it. Click the drop-down arrow next to the folder's name and opt for Share. Alternatively, head over to All Folders, locate your folder, and use the Share button next to it. This step is crucial, as sharing a folder enables you to grant access to all reports contained within, making the process more comprehensive and less time-consuming. Now it's time to select the recipients. In the sharing settings, you have several options. You can choose to share with individual users, specific roles and their subordinates, or even public groups. It's vital to consider who truly needs access to this data and choose the option that best aligns with your organizational needs. Once you've selected your recipients, the next step involves defining their access levels. This is where you can cater the permissions based on how involved the individuals need to be. You may choose View if the user merely requires reading access to the report's data. If they need to make adjustments, Edit will suffice. For complete control, including editing, moving, or deleting the report, select Manage. There's also an option called Run My User. This allows users to run the report under their own credentials, which is particularly useful if there are security filters in place. Finally, once you've set all the parameters, click Share, then Done to finalize your settings. The chosen recipients will now have access to the reports within that shared folder, according to the permissions you've carefully designated. With this straightforward yet thorough process, sharing reports in Salesforce becomes second nature, enhancing collaboration and ensuring that everyone in your organization has the data access they need. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time.